Hey everyone, how are you doing? Tonight, I don't even know what I'm cooking at the moment. All I know is the ingredients that I got, and I shall try and work it out from there. So in the reduced style today, I picked up 3 packs of these skewers, 2 packs of the tikka ones, and a pack of the chili ones. Actually, there was 4 packs, but I did eat 1 pack in work. And the good old cheese and spring onion filling that I've used before. Um, I also bought, and I paid full price for these, which surprised me, pack of mushrooms. And for my stuff that I got in my cupboards, I've got some spaghetti, onion, and peppers. I think what I'll do is I'll take the chicken off the skewers, and I will fry them with the onion, the peppers, and the mushrooms. Um, Cut some pasta, chuck the cheese and spring onion filling in the frying pan. I don't think I'm going to make a white sauce this time. I'll just thin it out with a bit of milk, um, and then put basically just chuck it all together. I'm sure it'll be tasty. I'm going to make it because the skewers are tikka and chili. I'm going to add some heat to it. So I'm going to add some of the chili flakes, maybe a little bit of the lazy chili, and see how that works out. Before I add the mushroom and chicken, I'm just going to add a little bit of tomato puree. There we go. Plenty of chicken there. Actually, have done too much. Okay, that's all been frying off nicely for a while. I think the mushrooms are more or less done. Before I separate it, I'm going to add some Worcester sauce. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of butter. More or less the consistency I was hoping for, which is good. It's kind of creamy, but a nice thick cream. Is that spaghetti? I don't know, but it's going in anyway. I'm going to call it spaghetti. Right, let's see how much of this we can get in. It's not a challenge or anything, it's just. You know, in the comments, your thoughts on mixing the chili with cheese. Basically, all I'm trying to do now is just break it up so that I can mix in the veg and the meat. But be careful when I show this because it's slipping out of the pan. But look at that. Anyway, that is basically chicken skewers with onion, pepper, garlic, mushrooms. The chicken is taken off the skewers, obviously. That's all cut up. And then I've cut some, I'm going to call it spaghetti, but it looks like it's flat stuff. I'll find out the name of it now. So I cut that. Put it in a pan, added cheese and onion, cheese and spring onion sandwich filler, a little bit of milk just to liquefy it a little bit, and slapped it all together. It was great. So anyway, while that's hot, I'm gonna go and eat it, and I will catch you very soon. Take care. See you on the next one. Bye now.